if you care about gardening and my garden. Enjoy. I just finished everything. And then you're gonna go back to the very beginning. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is a gardening video. We took out all the weeds, and by we I mean me and you. We did all the herbs. These are the herbs, and then these are the flowers. We took out more trash, put it in the trash. We need to buy some fertilizer, but other than that, we're pretty much good to go. Hi. So today we are gardening. Yeah, so now we're gonna plant the hibiscuses. Wanna see them? Ah. Isn't that so beautiful? This guy. They're like Hawaiian punch. Oh! Yeah, and then in the middle, I'm gonna put these like tall grass things. First, I'm gonna put some stuff in the trash, like more weeds, and then we'll plant those. Hi. Yeah. We should probably also get rid of these weeds while we're here. Oh my goodness, wait till you see this. Look at that. This is a weed. Right above us is the willow tree. So there's like a bunch of like random stuff falling. And it's spring, so it's growing in. Anywho, so this right here, this is a plant. This is pretty. But right beside it, weed. I'll show you. Weed. This is the willow tree. This is what we're cleaning up. I hate this thing. Weed. Done.
Flashback.
basil. Take it out. Just like that. Another basil. We have rosemary, thyme, Brussels sprouts, thyme, a bell pepper.
There?
Yeah.
Braid so it doesn't come back.
I see I missed some though. So I have all my herbs for this year. We're gonna do, this one is Brussels sprouts. This is rosemary. This is, oh, this is my bell pepper. These are thyme, and this is basil. This is my strawberry. Last time I only got one strawberry, but still, one is better than none. Raspberry, this is cilantro. It gets its own pot because it's so massive. And this is where my hibiscus goes. This is what my mommy bought. And that over there is gonna be hibiscus. Look at the worm. It's so cute. Look at that. It's so pretty. While I'm here, I'm gonna take these weeds out because it's ruining my garden. Look at this. Isn't it so cute? Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. I got a little snail. What shall we name him? Let's put him in my garden. This is your new home. There you go. Yeah, so we're gonna put all this trash in the trash, and then we'll put the hibiscus in its new home. These are all plants that the landscapers put in, except for some of them, like this is a weed. That's where I put it, remember? And look at that. And he's leaving the pot. We're just gonna loosen it and pull it out. And then we're gonna put one of these tall grasses in it. With the little grass and the flowers. It's so beautiful. And then we're doing that one. Good soil. So this one is gonna have the grass in the, probably in the middle, I don't know. And then we have this cutie with the pink. And then we're done. Yeah. Flip it over. This one's a lot easier to loosen up, see, because it's small. And if you want to buy these for your garden, they're just called spikes. Just ask for where the little grass spikes, whatever. Here we go. Ta-da! Pretty, isn't it? I really like this. I might keep it. And by might, I will keep it. Decoration plant, decoration plant. These are my hibiscus ones, and then the little spikes to make it look pretty. This is cilantro. These are beautiful raspberries, strawberries. More herbs. You saw these. So this is what it looks like. And then this is like orange. I think they're daffodils. I'm not sure. You'll see them later on in the summer. But they grow like, I want to say like this tall. Yeah. Oh. Maybe we could put some flowers right here, because it's like all the way down, but then it's naked right here. Just a thought, right? You can never have too many flowers. This thing will not come out. I've dug everything. And it will not come out. So let's just do this area really fast. I like these little clovers, but Daddy doesn't, because he says it looks like weeds. Probably because they probably are weeds, but I think they're cute. Doesn't that look so much better? Then we have this area. Oh, my shovel. Make sure to get the bottom, or else it's just gonna grow back.